you will see GREITDEAL. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer with Pouring Shield KSM150PS is a highly rated and versatile kitchen appliance. Here are some of its key features and benefits. Durability. It's built to last with a durable metal construction. Capacity. The mixer comes with a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, which is large enough to mix up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch. Versatility. It includes a premium accessory pack with a flex edge beater, pastry beater, dough hook, wire whip, and a redesigned secure fit pouring shield. This makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from kneading dough to whipping cream. Ease of use. The tilt-head design allows for easy access to the bowl. Speed control. It features 10 speeds for nearly any task or recipe. Color options. It's available in over 20 colors, allowing you to choose one that best matches your kitchen decor. Customers have praised this mixer for its power and versatility. It's also the one mixer brand in the world, which speaks volumes about its quality and performance. Whether you're an amateur baker or a professional chef, this mixer could be a great addition to your kitchen.